reducing sugary drinks. Yan din, konti lang inumin nyo ng mga natatamis na drinks. Moderating rice portions. Ayan, pagkain ng kanin, dapat hindi masyadong madami. Pag dati kumakain kayo, lalo na sa mga lalaki, kumakain kayo ng dalawang cup ng rice, bawas-bawasan nyo rin. Okay, and adding short movement breaks and significantly lower your risk by keeping a healthy weight and managing your blood sugar. You protect yourself from diabetes and support long-term wellness. Let's make healthier choices every day. Yan ang cultivation. Dati, hypertension, ngayon naman, diabetes. Ano yan ang dalawa niya na sakit? Pag may high blood ka, may diabetes ka, pag nakabayaan yan, maglilid yan sa stroke and kidney problem. Yan ang nangyari sa ate ko dati. Yan, lesson learned. Okay? Thank you. Tapos may, announcement kami ni Sir Pao regarding sa health as yearly natin na HMO reimbursement.